Understanding the importance of biodiversity in gardens. Building a garden that supports wildlife and biodiversity is essential for promoting ecological health. Diverse plant and animal life enhances soil fertility, pest control, and pollination. By creating a welcoming environment, you contribute to the local ecosystem and help sustain various species. Choose native plants for your garden. Select native plants that are well adapted to your local climate and soil conditions. Native species provide essential food and habitat for local wildlife, including pollinators, birds, and beneficial insects. Incorporating a variety of native plants encourages a healthy ecosystem and promotes biodiversity. Create diverse plant habitats. Incorporate a range of plant types, including flowering plants, shrubs, and trees, to create various habitats within your garden. A mix of heights and textures provides shelter and nesting sites for different species. This diversity attracts a wider range of wildlife, enriching your garden's ecosystem. Provide food sources for wildlife. Planting a variety of flowering plants ensures a continuous food supply for pollinators like bees and butterflies. Additionally, including fruit-bearing plants and nut trees offers nourishment for birds and small mammals. Creating a diverse menu helps sustain wildlife throughout the seasons. Install water features for wildlife. Adding water features, such as ponds or bird baths, provides essential hydration for animals. Water sources attract various species, including birds, amphibians, and beneficial insects. Ensure the water is clean and accessible, and consider incorporating native aquatic plants for added habitat. Incorporate shelter and nesting areas. Creating shelters, such as brush piles, rock walls, or birdhouses, provides safe spaces for wildlife to rest and nest. Different species require various types of shelter, so offering a range of options encourages diverse wildlife to inhabit your garden. Minimize chemical use in your garden. Avoid using synthetic pesticides and fertilizers that can harm beneficial insects and wildlife. Opt for organic gardening methods that promote a healthy ecosystem, such as natural pest control, composting, and mulching. Healthy soil supports diverse plant life, which in turn attracts wildlife. Create wildlife corridors for movement. Design your garden with wildlife corridors, which are paths or openings that allow animals to move freely between habitats. This connectivity helps sustain local populations and promotes biodiversity by enabling species to find food, mates, and shelter. Educate others about biodiversity. Share your knowledge about wildlife-friendly gardening with friends, family, and neighbors. By educating others, you can inspire more people to create similar gardens, increasing the overall impact on local biodiversity. Consider hosting workshops or joining community gardening initiatives to spread awareness. Conclusion: building a sustainable and diverse garden. Creating a garden that supports wildlife and biodiversity is a rewarding endeavor that benefits both the environment and local ecosystems. By selecting native plants, providing food and shelter, and minimizing chemical use, you can foster a vibrant habitat that attracts diverse species and enhances your gardening experience.